ba namang buhay to? Bakit ba nabuhay pa ako?
Gusto mo tulungan na kita dyan? Dito mo na lang ilagay yung mga books mo. Total, konti lang naman ang dala ko eh. Ako nga pala si Anthony Lagdameo. Wala pa nga pala akong ka-pair sa audit fair. Responsable ako, and I had the qualities of a future auditor.
Well, congratulations. After many rejections, you already have your marks.
An audit is a systematic process. It begins when a hunting ends.
Tissue.
No. I don't need tissue. Ayos lang ako.
Hindi, kailangan mo ng tissue.
Hindi ko kailangan ng tissue. Hindi ko kailangan ng tissue. Please stop judging me! Please stop!
Ang ganda ng video presentation nila. Naipakita na creative ko yung elements of assurance engagement. Yung three-party relationship, yung appropriate subject matter, sufficient appropriate evidence, yung three-party relationship, yung assurance written report. Pero alam mo, hindi ko maintindihan dun sa lahat ng elements kung bakit kailangan three-party relationship. Hindi ba pwedeng dalawa na lang? Hindi ba sapat yung dalawa? Bakit kailangan tatlo?
Alam mo, sa totoo lang, pwede naman dalawa lang eh. Kapag pareho yung intended user, saka yung responsible party. Pero, minsan kasi, pag pandalawahan na lang, hindi na assurance na nabibigay. Minsan nagang, agreed upon na lang. Mga pilit na lang na pagkakasunduan, na assurance.
Yun ba yung kasama ng mga compilation, tax consulting, ganun?
Bakit nga pala ang dami mong inaaral ng nakaraang audit? Dami mong libro. Dala mo na hata buong bahay niyo eh.
Alam mo, hindi na ako natutuwa din sa mga punchline mo, ah. Masyado kang judgmental. Kanina mo pa ako pina-punchline.
Ha? Teka nga, Ginaj.
Somewhere dun sa dinala ko yung buong buhay. Kasi parang sinasabi mong, bakit ang dami mong inaral, bagsak ka pa rin?
Di naman ako judgmental, no? Di ako judger. Siyempre, bilang isang future auditor, pinapractice ko na ngayon ang professional skepticism. Siyempre, madami akong tanong para malaman yung totoo kung gut mo. I'm just trying to practice my integrity as well. Kaya nga lagi akong straightforward eh. Saka, hindi ako biased. Hashtag objectivity. And of course, I make sure that I'm knowledgeable enough sa mga pinag-uusapan natin.
Pero dapat, hindi mo makalimutan to act and behave professionally and keep all that you have learned confidential.
Miss, yung phone mo, nagre-ring. Miss, yung phone mo, kanina pa nagre-ring, oh. Sagutin mo.
Alam mo, kapag sinasabi ng ibang nakikita kong auditor na bahala na si Batman, naiinis ako. Nakakagago? Ano yun? Aasa ka na lang sa hangin? Sa tadhana? Sa isang bagay na hindi ka naman sigurado? Hindi naman yun pwede sa auditing. Kasi dapat may pre-planning para malaman mo kung worth it ngang tanggapin yung mga engagements. Planning.
Para malaman natin ang scope natin. Para masas natin, saan lang talaga dapat tayo. Yung pag-alam ng nature, timing, at extent. Tulad na lang kung may maling assessment sa control risk. Ang dami na agad pwede magbago. Think of it this way. What if we accept something that's not right to be accepted and reject and leave those who deserve to be in the position? Diba ang sakit? Diba nakakapang-nyayang? Sayang naman.
Tama. And this time, they should know na based on gathered evidence ang magiging output ng mga report. Hindi yung dadaanin natin sa hinal or sa haka-haka. At saka, ang galing no, yung 8 oras ko tong pinag-aral pero naituro ni Miss ng 5 letters. Cheers to the students, the good students we are now. The auditors we will become. So, bale, ito na yung naisip kong story for our audit field.
Sige nga, pakinig.
Mo ko i-judge ha, one day ko lang ito ginawa.
Disclaimer.
There was an auditor who was getting tired of his pointy and stressful life. Until one day, he woke up feeling heavier than usual. Someone offered him big amount to conceal a fraud. He woke up with a heart that is full of sadness and madness, wondering all those what ifs. What have you done? Are you still on the right track? The auditor asked himself, but there was no reply.
Tapos,
Yun na yun.
di ba parang bitin?
Bitin ba?
He lets go of what's bothering him and chooses the way full of dignity. He declines the offer and continues his profession. So the other went back to his life, and every day he feels even lighter. But because of his firm's decision to not engage himself in such kind of activity, he encounters the same situation once again, a very familiar scenario, and the time he didn't feel any uneasiness through his heart because he didn't need to. Minsan ang hirap talaga intindihin ng auditing. Yung mga tanong na hindi natin alam kung saan ba tayo nagkamali. Pinilit mo naman intindihin pero kulang pa din. Mahirap eh. Pero mahal mo. At dahil mahal mo, ipaglalaban mo. Kahit nakulang ang tulog mo, aaralin mo kahit na paulit-ulit ka bumabagsak, okay lang. Diyan masakit kapag nagmamahal. Kaya yung grades mo, hatakin mo. May pangarap eh. Nangangarap ka.
Inserting assertions, one day I had to audit to give